Hi, my name's Chris, and today we're going to be talking about improving your inventory accuracy with Plex. Plex is unique in the fact that we individually label and serialize all of your product throughout your facility, streamlining the movements and transactions of material in your environment. With each label, you can easily scan and move product throughout the facility to dictate a new movement change throughout the environment. This then updates in real time, providing you and your team the visibility they need. Plex allows you to look at your inventory in a number of different ways: by location, manufacturing step, or status of that particular container. Down below here, you can see all of your ingredients, your finished goods, the current step in the process, the associated license plate serial number, job number, lot number, and manufacturing date. We'll also showcase the quantity that's in each container, the location, and the current status of that container. Plex will automatically calculate the expiration date based off the shelf life as well. As materials scanned and moved throughout the environment and depleted in production, Plex is going to build a full traceability tree to show you and your team all the raw ingredients that were used in a finished good. This is all tied back to that individually serialized license plate number. By individually serializing each one of your products, this makes it very easy to streamline inventory transactions and movements throughout your environment and giving your team the visibility they need. Thanks.